is called cathedral thinking, the mindset of architects and builders who may never see their plans fully realized, but entrust to future generations to carry them forward. It describes a broad vision that meets present needs while anticipating those of subsequent generations. So it was with the Kitchen Garden School that Grace Hoadley Dodge founded in 1880. Grace began with a determination to impart essential skills to young immigrant women. By 1887, the institution, now called Teachers College, had indeed become a cathedral for the future. It was a bold endeavor, dedicated to excellence, but born of humility. The understanding that the creation of new knowledge starts with recognition of what we do not know. Teachers College would soon unite the best minds in education, psychology, and health. TC would go on to launch and attain leadership in the fields of education psychology, nursing education, nutrition education, special education, and more. But to paraphrase TC's great philosopher Maxine Greene, such work is about always becoming. And so TC reimagined itself to combat new forms of poverty, disease, ignorance, and prejudice in each successive generation. During the Jim Crow era, the college prepared generations of Black teachers from Southern states. During the Cold War, TC's Dr. Morton Deutsch shaped the field of conflict resolution. And during the 1970s, Dr. Edmund Gordon laid the groundwork for comprehensive efforts to level the playing field for disadvantaged children. And in recent decades, our cathedral has expanded again, so that wherever you might look, from schools, hospitals, and museums, to nonprofits and NGOs, to the United States Department of Education itself, you would find leaders prepared at Teachers College. Now, we face great challenges again. And again, Teachers College has reimagined its cathedral. As COVID forced schools online, TC faculty have helped teachers and parents navigate new technology. They've enabled schools to support children psychologically and reshaped education for nursing students who could not train in hospitals. And they have challenged race and class bias at the most fundamental levels of our education system. The challenges ahead are equally great, but each new generation of faculty and each new cohort of students are the heart of this cathedral. Teachers College continues to generate new knowledge, to recognize what we still don't know, and to work toward a smarter, healthier, more equitable, and more joyful world.